Okay, I just want to make a quick video called Sunlight Proves Reality. Okay, so somebody will show me a drawing like this. They'll say, okay, look at the huge sun. It's way bigger than the Earth. And then they'll triangulate it down to the Earth and say, oh, look, you can see around the corner. So the sun's much bigger than the Earth. Well, let's see if that's possible in reality. Okay, so here's the sun, twice as big as the Earth. And as you can see around the corner. Here's the corner. You can see around the corner, no problem, because the sun is way bigger than the Earth. But watch what perspective does. Let's move it down farther down. Okay, so there's our big sun down there. We're about 40 feet away. And look, now we got a solid line. So, and if you come back here, prospectively, the sun is smaller than the Earth now. So it can't light up the back of the globe or the side of the globe. Because even though the sun is bigger down there, it's still smaller prospectively. So it can't light up the side of the globe anymore, obviously. Prospectively, the sun is small. That's why the Eratosthenes experiment doesn't prove the Earth is a ball. The sun is prospectively small, so the sun rays can't be parallel. You can't just come over to the drawing and say, wow, look how big the sun is, and just draw a bunch of parallel lines and say, yeah, the sun's rays are parallel. That doesn't make any sense, because prospectively, the sun's puny. Here's a real-life example. The sun is puny in the sky, and you can see that the rays are not parallel. Here's another problem for the globe model. During the 2017 solar eclipse, supposedly the moon casted a 70-mile wide shadow on the Earth. Okay, here's our drawing from NASA explaining how it happens. And again, the sun is going around the corner on the Earth. Here's two red lines showing what I'm talking about. The sun would have to go around the corner. We already know, due to perspective on our model, the sun can't shine around the corner. The shadow is roughly 70 miles wide on the ground. That means the moon can't be bigger than 70 miles. Because one of the laws of shadows is you can't cast a shadow smaller than the object that's casting it. The moon is supposed to be 2,000 miles wide. So there's a problem for the globe, another problem. Now, before you get all huffy puffy, let me see your experiment with the single light source, prospectively smaller than the object, cast a shadow smaller than the object. You will see that's not possible. If you take time to study eclipses, you'll find out that the moon is probably not even causing the eclipse. Another problem for the globe is daylight. Now, you can pick any day you want, and I put the daylight map side by side with the globe, and check it out. You see this shiny spot and the sun here? They line up pretty good. So where my finger is, right here, that should be the day and night line. Now let's crank it over and take a look. Now here's where the terminator line should be. Now look how much more light is past the terminator line in reality. So that's another problem for the globe. And you can see on our model, it's not possible.